Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can register on the Sui Bison application and start earning 4% profit every single day. So to sign up on Sui Bison, the first thing you need to do is to get the referral code of the person who is inviting you into the platform. You will need a referral code to join the Sui. So I'm going to leave that at the comment section and also in the video description so that you can get access to the referral code and sign up on the Sui Bison app. So and then what you're going to need next is Telegram application. So you're going to need Telegram app. You're also going to need at least $5 or above. So I recommend you use $100, but if you don't have that, you can start with just $5 and grow later in due time. So now the fourth thing you're going to need is your mobile phone. So if you have these four things now, on a Telegram app, $5, a mobile phone, and also your referral link from the person who is inviting you, then you just need to proceed to register on Sui Bison, right? So now I'm going to go to get my link. Now here is my link. Now this is the link I'm going to use to sign up to Sui Bison. Now I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to take me to Telegram. So you can see right now I'm on the Telegram application, right? Because the Sui Bison application is built on the Telegram blockchain. So what you just need to do is to click on the start over here, and then you're going to get a message. It's a bot, so you're going to get the message definitely. So what you're going to do now, your account is what they say, hello success, hold on a second, we are initiating your account. So as you can see, they are initiating my account so that I can get my Sui Bison account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to click on the launch over here. They're going to ask me to start. Click on the start button. So you can see, you can see the message below, right? It says I should launch the app. See it says I should launch the app. So what I'm going to do now is to click on start over here, and then they'll take me to the application. Okay, now you can see right now I'm on the application, and this is my app right now. This is my Sui Bison app, and you can see it's running perfectly. And the first thing now, what you're going to do next is to deposit on the Sui Bison, right? Deposit with the Sui Bison application. Now I've created a video for this. I've done a full video on how you can deposit using Bybit or any exchange platform by buying USDT and converting it to Sui token. So you can just watch it. I'm going to leave the link on the description and also in the comment section, or you can just look at the right hand corner where you can see the video. Please stay subscribed so you get notified anytime we drop a valuable video just like this, and I hope to see you on my next video.